Step into the future of electric SUVs with the Volkswagen ID. Code concept car. This visionary vehicle blends cutting-edge technology, a luxurious interior, and a futuristic design to redefine the driving experience. Volkswagen takes a bold step into the future with the ID. Code concept car, showcasing a vision of electric SUVs that seamlessly blend innovation, technology, and luxury. While still in its conceptual phase, the ID. Code hints at a vehicle that redefines the driving experience, promising a blend of exhilarating performance, futuristic design, and intuitive technology. Under the hood, the ID. Code is rumored to offer two powertrain options: a rear-wheel drive (RWD) setup with a single electric motor and an all-wheel drive (AWD) variant with dual motors. While specific power output figures remain under wraps, expectations suggest an impressive range of 300 to 400 horsepower (HP), ensuring a thrilling drive. The ID. Code's true potential lies in its innovative technology. The concept car hints at Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing for hands-off operation in specific conditions. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking are expected to come standard, enhancing safety and convenience. A large touchscreen infotainment system with seamless integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is likely to keep passengers connected and entertained. The interior design embraces a minimalist, futuristic aesthetic, prioritizing comfort and spaciousness. Unique features like an AI-powered avatar that communicates with passengers through displays add a touch of sci-fi flair. The exterior, with its aerodynamic lines and innovative lighting elements like the light cloud and light screen, exudes a futuristic elegance that sets it apart from conventional SUVs. While the Volkswagen ID. Code's price hasn't been officially revealed, considering its positioning as a potential flagship electric SUV and its advanced features, one can expect a starting price around $70,000 or even higher. This puts it in the premium electric SUV segment, competing with the likes of the Tesla Model X and the upcoming Audi e-tron SUV.